The stock analysis page on TradersPro is essentially the charts page where you're going to find your chart analysis and your trend analysis. Everything will lead back to this page. If I go to muscle stocks and any of the tabs that I'm clicking on or any of the stocks I'm clicking on, it's going to bring me back to the stock analysis page. On this page, you're going to have several different things to focus on. Number one is obviously the chart here. You're going to get the individual signals, the buy, sell, hold ratings on the chart themselves. If I take this into a little bit shorter time frame here, 6 months, you can see that a little bit more clearly. I'm going to be able to also change that if I want to the short-term trend. I can also change that to just traditional candlestick charts if I want to be able to look at that in a traditional candlestick chart formation. You've also got a Fibonacci tool set, which I will talk about in another video, that also is included with your subscription. The data that you're going to find here in the upper right hand corner is our trend indicator, which is going to show you where the stock is at currently in its trend in relation to the extremes, either an extreme low, meaning a real sharp sell-off, or a real extreme rally. Stock's gone straight up. You're going to see this at these extremes. Reversal risk on this means that there is a chance for just a pause, not necessarily an entirely market sell-off or stock reversal. It just means that it's not an ideal spot to be buying or selling. And although there are some strategies that we'll talk about, some of the fundamental data that's going to show here are also some core component to fundamental analysis that we get into regarding growth, earnings per share growth, last quarter earnings per share growth, and sales growth within the last quarter. These are important fundamental analysis that we can focus on that show some of the catalysts behind some of the trends that we're looking at. On the left hand side, you're going to see a couple of drop downs which are going to link into the muscle scans, which are your muscle stocks as well as the muscle ETF. So if you click on these new buys, for example, and then I can click through on the green arrow, it's just going to take me through each of those stocks as I click through. It's a fast way to get through those scans. I can also do my individual save scans as well as my watch lists. So it's a very quick way for me to be able to analyze my save scans and my watch lists as well. If I click on the more drop down, that's actually going to take me out to some of these other sources: Google, Yahoo Search, option chains on Yahoo as well. So I can read just some news that may be out there, other things that some of these other sites are able to aggregate a lot more quickly. Stock analysis page, it's a great page. You get a lot of information here as you're doing your research and analysis within TradersPro.